Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Now let's make a classic banana bread. Okay, so all our ingredients are measured out and we have our bananas, really ripe bananas, to get that banana-y flavor out. And we're going to go ahead and mash them up. And we just bring it to the side of the bowl and just smash it up. Alright, so I freeze my bananas so I can save them to make banana bread. And you don't have to freeze them. You can go ahead and use them well ripe and fresh. Alright, so I measure out 1 cup of bananas, then I add it back to my bowl, and now I add my eggs. Yes, I'm using 2 eggs. Go ahead and whisk that really good together. We want to emulsify the eggs and bananas that they become one. Then we add our brown sugar and go ahead and whisk that really good so that the sugar crystals can dissolve into our mixture. Then we add our vanilla, our lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We need it to activate the baking soda. Then we go ahead and just slowly drizzle in our vegetable oil. We're only using 1/3 cup, and then we go ahead and just whisk it really good. Ensure everything is incorporated. We move that over to the side and let's work on our dry ingredients. To our counter flour or all-purpose flour, we add baking soda, baking powder, a little bit of pink salt. You can use sea salt or whatever salt you have, some cinnamon and nutmeg. We need this. And we just mix that together. Then we're going to add in our dry ingredients to our liquid or wet ingredients, and we gently cut and fold it in. Alright, so we're going to add in the last of the dry ingredients, and we mix this really good so that there's no flour particles left. And we're going to pour our butter in the waxed lined baking tin that has been greased, and we're going to go ahead and bake this for 50 to 60 minutes at 180 degrees Fahrenheit, or until the toothpick comes out clean. Then we rest it on the stove for it to cool or on a baking rack. Cool for at least 1 hour before cutting. And there you have it, a delicious classic banana bread recipe. Thanks for watching.